Dondo, no, parang you're actually playing with your son in a team, no? Parang, I mean,
Nakakaingit.
Nakakaingit, no? Ganyan. How amazing is this in your mind? Kumbaga parang, honestly,
Nakita mo ba to?
exactly. Did you see this in your vision in life?
Hindi eh. Dahil nung, hindi ko sabihin when I was redirected after the 2025 election,
Okay.
so lumapit sila, Uncle Sam, Boss Jan, possibly playing. Sabi ko, Boss, hindi ako nakapaglaro for the longest time. Mga practice lang. Baka pwede niyong itry si Ice. Hindi pa yata nila nakilala si Ice. Then nag-try out yata siya, Mark. Diba? Nakwento ko, tinanong ko si Riv, one of our players before. Siya, okay yung performance, kuya. Baka pwede siya makapasok. Then eventually, kinuha ako as skills coach, assistant coach ni Junti. Then during papuntang playoffs, sabi ko kay Boss Jan, Boss, baka pwede akong ma-activate. Hindi pala allowed nun kasi hindi ka pa nakapaglaro, hindi ka pwede makapasok sa yung tinatawag nilang...
After the trade period.
Yes, after the trade period.
Pwede.
So, nung off-season, in-encourage ako nila Uncle Sam and Boss Jan na sige, laro ka muna mga ibang games. Tapos tingnan natin, sabi ko. Kaya, nag-decide kami
Dondo Hontiveros ang kausap
Lang naman.
Yeah, so ang ibig ko sabihin doon, in a way, parang, sige, parang try out ka muna. Hindi ka binigyan ng guarantee. Okay?
Yung sabi lang sabi ko, ayoko rin ilagay yung sarili ko sa alanganin.
Okay.
So really, I worked hard off-season, nakita ni Ice, nag-extra ako, naglaro pa ng mga to play, bro, to play.
To play.
To play.
Okay.
10 games in 12 days.
Okay.
10 games in 12 days for a 48-year-old. Iba-ibang lugar.
Iba-iba. Grabe, parang NBA.
Pero the most dun sa Sulu. So, Mayor Maki, Moods, thank you talaga. Maganda experience yun for the other players and especially for me. Nakita ko na, pwede pala as long as, yun nga, I stay fit and healthy. And yun nga, when I decided, sabi ko, Boss Jan, pwede na ako. So yun, nag-start ako noong May 1. Yun nga lang, ang first kabantayan ko, sila kay napagod talaga agad ako. Then nag-request ako sa coaching staff, sabi, pwedeng one day off ako before game. Kaya yun, napaganda yung laro ko dun sa San Juan.
Sa unang laro niyo.
Sa unang laro.
So, masasabi mo ba, Kuya Dondo, na mission accomplished ka? Dahil nakalaro mo si Ice.
Yes. Mission accomplished. Never thought about it, but when the opportunity came, and I have few months to train. Really, sobrang hard talaga. And I even tried yung fasting for ilang days para lang makita ko kung kaya ba ng katawan.
I was about to go there. So, obviously, at this point of your life, di ba? I mean, sasabihin ko na rin, di ba? The best almost 50-year-old in the league at season 8. No, seriously.
Yeah.
Because it's one thing, no? Let's face it. I mean, our league is somewhat political, di ba? We see it, di ba? We see it sa management, usually backed up.
Yeah.
Based sa kwento niya, even though he is from Cebu, even though he is a basketball legend, hindi siya binigyan ng guarantee. Okay? Which I respect a lot sa management. Thank you for telling that story. Okay? Kasi minsan ang daling gamitin ang isang Don Hontiveros para ang isang Cebu team umangat.
Right.
Di ba?
Right.
So obviously, fast forward, ngayon naglalaro ka na. Di ba? Nakikita ko yung kilos niya sa loob ng court. Coming off screens, di ba? Which means takbo ka ng takbo.
Wag mo ikwento lahat, baka sabihin ni Joe mamaya.
Ang tawag nila ganito. Ang tawag nila ganito, staggered screen para sa kanya.
Coach, wag mo muna.
Lista mo. Pero kahit ilista mo, hindi ako sure eh. So anyway, ang ganda pa rin niya kumilos. Di ba? And there's a reason behind that. Ang banggit mo kanina, yung pag-fasting mo. Paano ba ang diet ngayon at age 49 ni Don Hontiveros?
Well, ngayon, dahil sobrang...
Gusto ko give me a Monday to Friday. Like, breakfast to dinner.
No. Usually, 1 meal a day lang talaga ako. But
Okay.
yun nga, nabalik na sa hard practice, kaya minsan sumasabay na rin sa kain. But I make sure really na yun nga, game prep, parang ako, wag lang sabihin lahat kasi kami kalaban mamaya. So, but really, it's just being ready, And then, alam mo na you'll be playing this much minutes kasi nandito si Paul, may isa pa kaming kaposisyon. But for the minutes na gagamitin ako ni Coach Alvin, all out din talaga ako.
And magandang challenge to para kay Gary David, no? Para kay Ronnie Matias. Sino pa ba ang mga nasa spectrum na?
Si Reynald, magandang ano.
Oo. An example of a really conditioned guy,
Yes.
John Wilson, di ba? Kumbaga,
Pero mas bata si Jen Wilson. Kami ni
mas bata.
Reynald and Gary.
Rainiel.
Pero-
Nathan,
Are you parang taking any supplements or like what's the secret? Kasi yung mga dad ko ngayon at this age, parang konting takbo lang, sumasakit na katawan eh. So, it's very inspiring also for the young ones para we can last longer. Parang, what other secrets like are you taking or ano ba or something?
Well, sa supplements, yung binigay ko lang kay Lakay.
I-reveal ang secrets.
Binigay lang din ng ate ko. Di ko alam kung anong nandun eh. Pero legal lahat yun ha.
Hanapin niyo po yun.
Tarangin niyo yung ate.
But really, sabi ko nga kay Paul Desiderio is mobility exercises talaga. Of course, we do weight trainings. Kailangan din ako individually. Pero yun nga, it's really extra care and stretching and like kagabi, nagano din ako cold plunge kasi first time ko yata nagpa-release dahil
Okay.
sabay-sabay or diretso yung practice.
Tulog.
And may
Tulog. How many hours? May streak ka ba?
Hindi ko
Wala.
naman sabihin pero
Hindi
minsan
na kaya 8
makulang.
hours.
Pero because of yung experience natin.
Okay.
na-
So nagbabasa ka pa rin ba ng dyaryo ng alas 5 ng umaga?
Hindi na.
Nagsisiga?
Eto, meron ako. Sige.
Tulog!
Oo,
Tulog! Papasa natin kay Mark.
Okay.
Ito, yan. Tanongin
Balita
niya,
ko,
tulog.
ito ang matakaw sa tulog.
Yes.
Okay, sige Mark.
Gaano ka katagal mo?
Paki-explain.
Ano po? Nasa 10 or 12 hours. Ganun.
Wow!
Grabe.
May dalawang anak ba to ha?
Oo.
Oh.
Malakas po talaga matulog.
Yun
kaya,
din yung sabi
growing
ng,
boy.
growing boy talaga.
Ano-
Yung kasama niya na before last year, tulog, gising kain, balik tulog. Yun. Kaya pagdating ng practice parang hindi napapagod.
Pero, you know what? I don't know if you've seen this interview with LeBron. Si LeBron, never siya nagigising sa alarm. Parang gusto niya, importante sa kanya, kompleto lagi tulog niya. Kaya parang, if you see he's still playing till now, like prime, tapos hindi na-injure. Natalo nga lang, medyo nakakalungkot. Pero, go Spurs, sana manalo kayo. Nanalo ba?
I think.
Anyways,
Oh.
so yun lang.
Yun talaga.
We're doing this recording, ano ngayon? May
25.
25. It's a Monday. No? So it's game 4 of the...
Basically, sleep is king.
Yeah.
That's what they say. Okay, speaking of being a king, meron akong question kay Dondon na, I have been meaning to ask this. Sa chismosa kong to, sa MPBL, hindi ko pa to natatanong sa mga legends. Okay? But I have been meaning to ask this. Ano yung pakiramdam na, obviously, you have established yourself in the Philippines as one of the best basketball players. Okay? In all aspects. College, PBL, PBA, lahat. International. Kung baga,
3-time PBA champion,
Yes.
1-time ABL champion.
Okay.
Nako, ano yung kulang na lang?
All-star.
MPBL champion.
MPBL champion, which is likely at their record, which is likely hindi malayo, di ba?
So my question is, Kuya Dondon, syempre, you entered the MPBL, okay, as a legend. And then all of a sudden, you play against guys who, let's admit, will fulfill everything in the stats more than you will at this point. Anong pakiramdam nun? Parang nakakaano rin ba yung is it humbling na parang meron ng mas skilled sa akin dito sa panahon na to. But I mean, obviously no one will ever forget everything that you have done for basketball, but yung ganong pakiramdam na parang meron ng mas magaling sa akin dito ngayon. Ganon.
One of the best shooters
mga
in the
ganon.
history of Philippine basketball, by the way.
Well, when I was traded to Alaska, first time I was traded also, I think, Air 21. Na-feel ko na rin na there would come a time na hindi na ikaw yung starter. Kasi goal ko talaga, kahit anong gawin nyo, starter talaga ako.
Okay,
Yun yung goal
ganda.
ko. Oo. Kasi kahit sino ilagay doon, when Larry came in, when Wesley came in sa San Miguel, nilalaban ko yung spot eh. Dumating yung iba, nilalaban ko yung spot. When I was traded, sabi ko, nga, maging ready ako sa ganun. So when I went to Alaska, off the bench ako kay Cyrus, nakikita ko na ano yung maging role ko. So,
Ganda ng
so,
story na to.
so pagdating ko sa MPBL, alam ko na din kung anong maging role ko. Pero the opportunity to compete with the younger guys
At this age.
gusto ko makita kung hanggang saan yung kaya ko.
Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, ano pang hinihintay mo? Bawat episode, bawat laro, bawat kontrobersya sa MPBL. Nandito kami para harapin lahat. Hanapin ang Rebanse sa Spotify, Apple Podcasts at YouTube. Kung may gusto kang sabihin, may issue kang gustong harapin, o may Rebanse ka sa sinasabi namin ngayon, mag-subscribe, i-share, makiisa sa usapan.